What's features highlight? About AZDOME 4K dual dashcam built-in Wi-Fi GPS front 4K/2.5K and rear 1080p, with 64 gigabit card, dual dash camera for cars, 3.19-inch display, dashboard camera recorder capacitor, parking mode. Support 256 gigabit maximum. We will introduce the features and brief details, what's features including. To make a decision before buy order. AZDOME M550-2 channel dual dashcam front and rear camera 4K UHD guide your car safety. Now you can record crisp 4K videos with AZDOME dashcam's revolutionary 6-glass wide-angle lens with proprietary focal length technology powered by Novatech 96670 chipset processor and GC465. 3 and GC2053 ultra-low light capture sensor. This cutting-edge technology allows high-quality recording even from far-off places. The effective distance that can clearly identify the license plate number is within 6 meters. The built-in wide dynamic range, WDR, technology helps capture optimum lighting and image details, in both bright and dark conditions. So, be it day or night, view road signs and license plates vividly. It also enables smart accident monitoring as it gets activated when an impact takes place and records videos up to 1 minute. The device also allows you to record exceptional time-lapse videos. If you hesitate or have questions, we recommend that you click the link in the YouTube details, to see all the detail before actually ordering. And of course, we are affiliated with Amazon.com. You can get early reviews of products with little or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter purchasing decisions. If you think our channel is useful for you, you can subscribe and press the bell and select all to receive instant notifications for all future uploads.